1xBET promo code Bangladesh. Which 1xBET promo code to use to register on 1xBET Bangladesh? When you download the 1xBET application to your phone, when registering you will be asked for a promo code. If you don't have a promo code, don't worry. Here is the promo code that you must use to validate your registration in Bangladesh. MANA64. It is this promo code which allows you to double the first amount that you will deposit into your 1xBET account. It is very important to use the promo code MANA64. This 1xBET promo code allows you to have the 1xBET Monday bonus. The 1xBET promo code allows you to have the 1xBET Friday bonus. To create your 1xBET account in Bangladesh, you can choose the 1xBET registration method that suits you. You can choose 1xBET registration in one click. You can also choose 1xBET registration by telephone number. You can also choose the full 1xBET registration. Among all these methods of registering on 1xBET in Bangladesh, you will always be asked for a promo code. It is very important that you use the promo code MANA64 to double your first deposit on 1xBET. When you have validated your registration on 1xBET, remember your username and password carefully so as not to forget them. Sometimes it's better to write them down somewhere on a piece of paper so you don't forget. The 1xBET promo code MANA64 allows you to double the first amount that you will deposit into your 1xBET account. As you know, sports betting in Bangladesh has become an excellent way to earn money in Bangladesh by betting on football matches, tennis matches, basketball matches, and many others. You just need to do very good analysis. Or simply follow our predictions that we make on this channel to have better results in sports betting. It is very important that you subscribe to this channel and activate the notification bell to enjoy our free predictions on football matches, our predictions on tennis matches, our predictions on ice hockey matches, our predictions basketball matches, and many others. Now you know the 1xBET promo code in Bangladesh, which allows you to register on 1xBET in Bangladesh. You know the 1xBET Bangladesh promo code which allows you to create a 1xBET Bangladesh account. Do not worry anymore. You already know the new 1xBET Bangladesh promo code. This is the ideal 1xBET Bangladesh promo code.